All right, y'all, welcome back to the Roll and Grill. I am back. I'm back. I know I've been away for a minute doing other stuff, but I'm back now, baby. And we got a new setup, new kitchen, whole new layout. And today, baby, Waffle House. How to cook them Waffle House hash browns at home. That's what we got next right here on the Roll and Grill, baby. Yeah, boy. Guys, this is the star of the show right here. These Simply Potato shredded hash browns. I get them from Kroger. If you have a Kroger, you'll definitely find them. You'll find them over there by the smoked meat and by the bacon. This right here is gonna give you them Waffle House hash browns. And then we got the diced ham. You can do diced ham or the cube ham because you gotta have it smothered, in chunks when you get them hash browns from Waffle House. And of course, you gotta have that good old American cheese. No Swiss, no provolone, none of that mess. Good old American cheese in them slices, baby. And then we got olive oil and butter. I'm gonna use that as a 50-50 combination for the flat top griddle. I like to add garlic powder, onion powder to mine. That's totally up to you. And then I'm using this Country Pleasing specialty seasoning for my salt and pepper kick. Got a little, gotta have a spatula. And then got a whole new stove, y'all. No more electric, thank God. We got gas now, y'all. Y'all wanna see? Look at that. Look at that, man. Gas, dog. No more electric. But anyway, I digress. So I'm gonna use the middle burner today, and I'm gonna use this flat top griddle. So no more talking, y'all. Let's get into it. Waffle House hash browns, baby, right here on the Roll and Grill. Yeah, boy. All right, guys, first things first. I got my heat on. I'm on about a 3. This is gas. This thing gets really hot real quick. This cast iron. So I ain't gonna go too crazy on it. And I'm just gonna let it sit here and marinate. I know when it's ready. You'll know when it's ready. When this butter melts up real good and the bubbles in that butter kind of go away a little bit, that's when it's time to slap them hash browns on there. So, stay tuned. We're gonna start loading them on there, man. I'm shooting with one hand, so yes, I gotta use my hand to put them on here. And however big you want them, that's what you do. You do you. When I go to the Waffle House, I like hash browns, man. So I like a nice little amount. And so we're just gonna let them sit there and cook for a little bit. Probably about 2-3 minutes, and then we're gonna put a little extra something on it. Stay tuned. All right, this time, man, I just like to spread them out. I kind of press them down a little bit. I want them to get straight contact with that flat top heat on that griddle. And now I'm gonna start doing my little salt and pepper jazz. If you want to just do straight salt and pepper, that's cool. Add my little onion powder, my little garlic powder. And again, I'm just gonna let these cook. Probably about 3 to 5 minutes, man. I want them to brown up nice. While that's going, I'm gonna go ahead and add my little ham chop, little ham, diced ham on here. Yeah, you add as much as you like. I like a lot of ham in mine, so that's what we're going with right there. And we're just gonna let them sit back here on the back of the griddle where it's not much heat. Just let them warm up and cook through. But it's already cooked. We're just gonna let them warm up. Man, I spoke too soon. Who don't have no onions? Found them boys. So of course I'm working with one hand. I'm gonna add them onions and that ham. And we're just gonna let this cook on the back burner again on low heat. And I'll show you what it look like. Now this is something I like to do. While the hash browns are cooking, we're still within that 3 to 5 minutes. I like to come on top and add just a little bit of that olive oil on top to intensify the crispiness on the other side. Peek at what this thing looking like at the bottom. You see that? That's what you want. GBD, golden brown delicious, baby. But I'm gonna let them keep on rocking and rolling. We probably got about 1 more minute left before I do something else. All right, y'all. Now I'm gonna start to kind of incorporate my ham and onions into this. And then this is what I'm gonna do. I like to fold it. I'm gonna pat it back out, but I like to fold it. I wanna incorporate everything. And then I'm smashing it back on that griddle. And I'm just gonna let it rock and roll for probably another 5 minutes until them hash browns crisp up. Stay tuned. Oh, and also, I'm gonna hit it with a little more seasoning. And that's it. Let it rock and roll. right, y'all. It's probably been about, since I added the ham, it's probably been about 3 minutes. Now, very important, don't get all butt hurt if your hash browns don't flip over perfect. If you have to fold them, it's fine. Don't worry about it. But that's the color, that's what we're looking for right there. That's the color we're looking for right there. And you just want to press them back out. That's what we're looking for right there. We'll get these like that. But that's what we're looking for, that right there. Once the starch and everything starts to bind together, you'll get them nice, pretty hash browns, so don't sweat it. All right, y'all, double cheese me, please. And I'm gonna show y'all what it look like. I'm gonna put it all together and show y'all the finished product. Yeah, boy. Here is the finished product. I like to add that salsa verde mild on there, man. And that is it. You got your egg, you got your ham, your onions, and your hash browns. You got your American cheese. Got that nice egg. When you pop that thing, it should run a little bit. Let's see if it runs a little bit. It might not be for everybody. Everybody don't like that little run. Yes, sir. That's pure D delicious gravy. If you like your eggs like that. But anyway. All right, y'all. Got my coffee right here. Look at that right there, man. Well, y'all already saw it. Let's get into it. Let's get into this. Waffle House hash browns at home. There we go. Can you see that? You got your egg, you got your hash browns, you got your cheese. That's it right there, y'all. And if you like that salsa verde, add it on there. Banger. So as always, y'all, thank y'all for joining me at the Rolling Grill. We got new videos on the way, new kitchen setup. Y'all stay tuned. And thank you for rocking with your boy. Hey, I need a favor. I'm almost at 9,000. Matter of fact, I might be close to it now. I need 10,000, man. Y'all give me the 10,000 for the end of the year, man. Come on now. Y'all help your boy out. Again, thank you for joining me at the Rolling Grill.